This is iMile, a logistics hub in Riyadh where parcels are loaded and dispatched into vehicles day and night. Cooling such a huge open warehouse is always a challenge. Traditional air conditioning would have required extensive ductwork across the entire facility and incurred massive costs. Windmason provided a smarter solution. We installed 12 desert master units, each with a capacity of 25 horsepower, using a simple mounted ducting system to deliver cooling exactly where it was needed. This intelligent design not only maintained a steady temperature of 28 to 31 degrees Celsius throughout the warehouse, but also saved iMile over $500,000 in unnecessary ductwork costs, all while providing a more comfortable environment for workers to perform at their best. Windmason, turning complex cooling challenges into smart, efficient solutions.